Today, I want to tell you how simple everyday foods can restore your energy and health, even if you're already 60, 70, or 80 years old. No pharmacies, no expensive supplements needed. The solution is already in your kitchen. Imagine two women who are both 90. One cooks breakfast herself, walks in the park every morning, reads without glasses, remembers all her plans. And the other gets out of breath just going up to the second floor, carrying a bag full of pills. And the difference is not genetics, it's what they eat every day. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps me share more useful videos with you. And write in the comments, where are you watching from? Now let's begin. Here are 5 simple foods that changed my life and the lives of many of my friends. Product 1. Black chokeberry. Aronia, a tiny berry with big power for blood vessels. After I started drinking chokeberry infusion daily, my morning headaches disappeared, my blood pressure became steady, my hands stopped freezing. Very simple recipe. 1 tablespoon dried berries, 200 milliliters, hot water. Steep 2 to 3 hours. Drink half a glass a day. If you already know chokeberry, comment power. Product 2. Ivan tea. Willowherb tea. The best evening drink for calm nerves and deep sleep. No caffeine, no dependence. One of my friends stopped taking anxiety pills. Just switch to Ivan tea. Brew 1 teaspoon in 300 milliliters of hot water and drink warm in the evening. If you want to try, comment peace. Product number 3. Buckwheat, my #1 longevity breakfast. It gives you stable energy. No sugar spikes, no pressure jumps. I eat it in the morning and stay active all day. 1 cup buckwheat, 2 cups water, cook 15 minutes on low heat. Soak overnight for even better digestion. If you eat buckwheat, comment base. Product number 4. Seaweed, kelp. When I had low iodine, I felt tired, cold, foggy-headed. Seaweed changed everything. Just a couple of tablespoons a day support thyroid and memory. Important, choose natural dried kelp, not the canned one with vinegar. Product 5. Sauerkraut, a living probiotic. It brought back lightness in my stomach and improved my mood. Only 3 ingredients: cabbage, carrot, salt, nothing else. 1 to 2 tablespoons before meals. And your gut will thank you. In conclusion, these foods strengthen blood vessels, improve digestion, boost energy and mental clarity, are affordable and accessible. It doesn't matter how old you are, it's never too late to start. If this video was helpful, comment 1. If not, 0. Your feedback helps me improve. Share this video with your loved ones. Maybe it will change their lives too. Don't forget to subscribe and take care of yourself.